Ergonomics. Purpose: to establish safe manual handling techniques at all
HTH.
locations. The word ergonomics was derived from the following phrases: ergo, work; nomics, rules or laws. Ergonomics literally means the laws of work. The Occupational Health and Safety Act defines ergonomics as the science of designing the job to fit the worker, instead of forcing the worker to fit the job. Ideally, ergonomics makes the job safer by preventing injury and illness, makes the job easier by adjusting the job to the worker, makes the job more pleasant by reducing physical and mental stress, saves money. There are two categories of ergonomic factors: environmental and physical. Some examples of ergonomic environmental problems are sick building syndrome, excessive noise, improper lighting, temperature extremes, cumulative trauma disorders, CTDs. What are some of the environmental factors that might affect your work area? Physical stresses place pressure or stress on parts of the body, such as joints, muscles, nerves, tendons, and bones. Sometimes these injuries are referred to as cumulative trauma disorders, CTDs, or repetitive strain injuries, RSIs. The main risk factors for office-related CTDs are repetition, awkward positions or posture, excessive pressure or force. Other risk factors for CTDs would be leaning forward at your desk, typing with your wrists at an odd angle, raising your shoulders while typing, reaching to use the mouse, twisting your neck to look at the monitor or your phone, lifting objects from below your waist or above your shoulders, typing with too much force or pounding the keys, stamping, lifting heavy boxes of paper or carrying office equipment, using improper grip. There are simple ways to protect yourself from injury. Your elbows should be at a comfortable angle while hanging at the sides from your shoulders. Your shoulders should remain relaxed in a lowered position while typing. Avoid leaning forward at your desk. Maintain natural S-curve of your spine. Support your lower back. Keep your feet supported on the floor or use a footrest. The keyboard should be slightly lower than normal desk height. If it is not low enough, try raising your chair height. Prevent your legs from dangling by using a footrest. Keep the home row of keys at elbow level. Adjust your chair. The majority of employees work in a seated position in front of computers. A comfortable workstation is therefore of greater importance than ever before. Poor sitting posture and poorly designed workspaces are major causes of neck, back and upper limb pain, which are contributing factors to lost time and lost production. Managers. Managers are responsible for the implementation of good office ergonomics and for ensuring the training of employees on the principles of office ergonomics. The ergonomics of all workstations should be assessed every 12 months, or when a workstation changes. The ergonomics of a specific workstation should be assessed whenever an employee complains of back, neck, hand, arm, or eye strain. All office workers should be assessed every 24 months, and all assessments must ensure that the principles of ergonomics are applied to reduce muscular-related disorders. A large enough workspace must be provided to avoid improper postures. Most frequently used items, such as the telephone, should be positioned within close reach. With computer work, lighting is needed from the side, not from directly above the terminal. Workplace noise, such as ventilation, telephones and other equipment, should be minimal. The temperature, air quality and minimum luminous levels must be as according to the Occupational Health and Safety Act. Computer screens should be at the eye level of the employees using them. Keyboards should be angled and movable, and mouse pads should be installed. Your sitting posture should be as follows. Feet should be flat on the floor. Knees at 90 degrees. Back resting against the back of the chair. Lumbar supporting. Spine should keep the S shape. Shoulders relaxed. Elbows at a 90-degree angle. Wrists in neutral position. Wrists are not to be supported on the edge of the table. Rather, they should be supported on your palms or wrists. The document you are working on should be at eye level to avoid eye muscle fatigue. Work chairs should be as follows. Stable. Adjustable for height. Equipped with rollers. Allow for lumbar curve. Curved front edge of seat. Have a stable support base. Avoid using an armrest while working to reduce stress on your wrist and finger joints. Remember to stretch regularly to prevent muscle fatigue.